Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm sharing a little tutorial. I have seen these super cute little candy bag charms on YouTube and thought I would give it a go. They are so addictive to make. As you can see, this is what I have made today. And thought I would show just how quick and simple they are to make. All the tutorials I've seen use washi tape, but I'm not a fan of washi. I find it a bit flimsy and doesn't stick. So I have used 160 GSM paper, printed paper, and the little vinyl bags that you can get off Temu. So this is how I do them. I've got my little sequin mix here. I'll take that one out. And that's all that one needs. Actually, I might find a little strawberry to go in that one. Let's see if this one goes in there as well. I just added that extra one in there. The little strips of paper that I've used are just on 3/4 of an inch by approximately 3.5 inches. Put glue all over the back, seal that up, and I leave enough space at the top to trim it with some pinking shears. I like to get a bone folder and just make sure that's really sealed at the top. And then again leaving enough space for it to trim down with pinking shears. I feel for the plastic edging and making sure I'm not going to cut that. And that's how quick they are to do. It doesn't matter if there's like a little bit of overhang because it's going to get trimmed off anyway. Then I get my crocodile or hole punch, this side, and then just punch a little hole in the top. Showing at the back. Pop in an eyelet. Doesn't want to work today. I'll try the pink one. I don't want to use that little claw on there. That's how quick that one was to do. Let's see if we can go back and fix this one. There we go. I'm supposed to pop that. No, it's not going to fit that way. And I've just made the little word candy. And we lost it. And there's that one finished. And then if you want, you can decorate it more with some little stickers or some trim. And that's how easy they are to make. and they look so cute hanging off your little journals or mini albums. And yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.